Welcome. We are here on the Low Country Legal Lowdown. I am with Brent Stewart of the Stewart Law Offices. And as we often start our interviews, we've just had a car accident.
Okay.
And so there's a report that's been filed, and there is fault that is assigned on that report. How do we look at that and determine what should happen next?
Well, I get a lot of calls from people that say, hey, listen, I just got in a wreck. The accident report says the other person's at fault. Okay. All right? So they think that's the end of the story. Accident reports are hearsay. All right? They're just the opinion of the officer at the scene. He didn't witness the wreck.
Right.
He just talks to witnesses. So that accident report is hearsay. The insurance companies, I've seen them come in and say, I don't care what that accident report says. Your person was at fault, and here's why I think so.
Wow, okay.
And so often...
That's a big change.
It is a big change, but if insurance companies, their businesses, if they can try to figure out a way to not pay,
right,
then that's what they're going to do.
Sure.
So in those cases, we can file, if it's a property damage issue, we can file a property damage arbitration right away and then go in front of an arbitrator that will determine who's at fault. Those are appealable and can ultimately end up in a jury trial either way.
Okay.
But just because the accident report says you are at fault or not at fault doesn't mean the insurance company is going to
agree with
march
you.
in that direction.
So again, that's a time when you really need to have an attorney look over what's being said, who said what the insurance company is claiming, because you can kind of get through all of that information and figure out what they're trying to do.
And that's why it's important to talk to an attorney right away.
Yeah.
Because if you give the statement first, you may say something that gives them the ammunition to say, I don't care what that accident report said, you're at fault, and here's what you said.
And here's what you said.
You looked up and said, I saw him coming, I could have moved. Is that your fault?
Right.
So you need to talk to an attorney right away.
Absolutely. And keep your mouth shut. Again,
That is the most
anything.
important thing, and I'm not good at it, so hopefully everybody out there is.